The Earth's rotation and the unequal heating of its surface create global wind belts. These wind patterns and their interactions with the geography of the Philippines lead to what we call northeast monsoon, locally known as amihan. In this video, we are going to explore the deeper meaning of northeast monsoon together with our proposed thesis statement that northeast monsoon is not the best time to grow crops and raise animals, which comes up with proofs that northeast monsoon's causes: waterlogging in crops, higher death rate of crops, soil erosion, delayed planting and harvest, increased pest and disease pressure. What is northeast monsoon? The northeast monsoon, also known as amihan, is a seasonal wind pattern that brings colder and drier air from the Asian continent towards the Philippines. It typically occurs between the months of November and March, making it the cool and dry season in many parts of the country. The northeast monsoon or retreating monsoon also brings moderate to heavy rainfalls to several regions. While it may seem a blessing at first, there's a darker side to this weather phenomenon that often goes unnoticed. In agriculture, amihan season can provide many benefits. However, it also presents challenges that can significantly impact agricultural practices. Now, let's explore some of the adverse effects it can have on farmers, their crops, and animals. One of the primary concerns during the northeast monsoon is excessive rainfall. This rainfall can lead to flooding and waterlogging. The heavy downpours can saturate the soil, making it difficult for plants to absorb oxygen and nutrients. This lack of oxygen can result in root rot. Root rot is a disease that attacks the roots of trees growing in wet or damp soil. This decaying disease can cut the life short of just about any type of tree or plant and has symptoms similar to other diseases and pest problems like poor growth, wilted leaves, early leaf drop, branch dieback, and eventual death. The intense rainfall associated with the northeast monsoon can cause significant soil erosion. When the rainwater flows over unprotected fields, it carries away the fertile topsoil that contains vital nutrients necessary for plant growth. This erosion not only depletes the soil's quality but also reduces its water-holding capacity, making it more challenging for crops to survive during drier periods. Increased pest and disease pressure. The increased moisture and humidity brought by the northeast monsoon create favorable conditions for pests and diseases to thrive. Pests such as fungi, bacteria, and insects can multiply rapidly, causing severe damage to crops. Fungal diseases in crops like powdery mildew and bacterial infections can weaken plants, affecting their growth and productivity. If left untreated, this will ultimately lead to crop death. During the northeast monsoon season, the combination of rainfall, humidity, and temperature creates a favorable environment for pest and disease vectors to thrive. The excessive moisture and warmth provide ideal breeding conditions for insects, ticks, and other parasites that target poultry, livestock, and ruminants. The pests feed on the animal's blood and nutrients, causing discomfort, irritation, and sometimes even severe health issues. In addition, these parasites can transmit diseases such as Lyme disease, babesiosis, or tick fever, depending on the specific region and animal species involved. Delayed planting and harvest. Another challenge farmers face during the northeast monsoon is the delay in planting and harvesting. Excessive rainfall can saturate fields, making them unsuitable for cultivation. It can also make it difficult for farmers to access their fields and carry out essential agricultural activities. As we conclude our argument that northeast monsoon is not the best time to grow crops and raise animals, it is evident that this weather phenomenon brings significant challenges to the persons behind this field, especially the farmers. However, through resilience and adaptation, farmers can mitigate these effects and ensure the continuity of agricultural practices. Implementing measures to combat waterlogging, higher death rate of crops, soil erosion, delayed planting and harvest, and increased pest and disease pressure can help farmers